Hello everybody, I'm back here with a quick video. Now let's look at merging the PDF files with a few lines of code using Python. So I've created this folder of PDF files. Now I've got a couple of PDF files in here. I've also created this Python file, merge_pdf.py. And before I write the code, I'll have to install something. So let me go inside my terminal and I'm going to write pip install, okay, pypdf2. This is the one that's going to help me deal with the PDF files. As you can see, I've already installed it before, so it says the requirement already satisfied. So it's already installed. So let me now go to this Python file and write the command. So the first thing I want to do is import, okay, from this pypdf2, I'm going to import PDF file merger. Okay, this is something I'm going to import, and well, I gotta write it PDF. Okay, so PDF file merger, and let me initialize it. So let me initialize the merger, PDF file merger. Now I'm gonna import my PDF files as a list. So my PDF files, I've got this couple of them right here. So file 1 and file 2. Since there are just two of them, I'll just manually write it. So file 1.pdf and file 2.pdf. And now, okay, let's go to each of them. So for, let's say, PDF file in PDF files, I'm going to append, okay, this file to the merger. So merger.append the PDF file. Okay, now the file has been appended. All that's got left for us to do is to write to the merger. So merger.write, okay, I'm going to write this as certain file name. Let's call it combined pdf.pdf. Okay, PDF is the extension. Now the file has been merged, so eventually let's close it and let's save it. So let me go to my terminal, and here, as you can see, I've got this merged pdf.py file. Let me run it, and so I go back. As you can see, the combined PDF file has been created. So in here, if I list it out, we have this combined PDF file, and there we go. This is the combined file of this file 1 as well as the file 2.